If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Velvet Red Pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, body color wheel flares, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6315.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.